Hello everyone and welcome to another video, and I'm going to bring you some great content today. What we're going to do is another taste test with yours truly, Mr. Goody. And what I have here today is no ordinary candy bar. This is the Kit Kat Happy Birthday Limited Edition. And we're going to see how this tastes, the texture, the taste, the flavor, exactly how it tastes on the tongue. Okay, so I have my Mr. Goody cup filled to the brim with some nice cold milk to wash this baby down. But anyways, I'm going to open this. We're going to see how it looks and how it tastes. See if I recommend it for you guys out there. All right, now as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there are some nice like rainbow sprinkles in there, and it kind of makes it look pretty, like a rainbow, you know. And on the back it's just plain. So I don't know if this is vanilla chocolate or what this is with little sprinkles with wafer bars. We're gonna see what this Kit Kat tastes like, one bar at a time. So it's time for me to shut up and start eating. The aroma doesn't smell any different. It smells kind of like chocolate, but the taste and the texture on the inside, the wafers are a little different, it looks like, and the taste is definitely different. It's like a sugary taste, and the sprinkles make it crunchy, and it kind of tastes a little bit like a birthday cake on a stick with a wafer bar. And it tastes more like vanilla instead of chocolate. Doesn't taste bad. It just tastes different. Needed some sugar in my life. I had been social distancing from food lately, and it's time that I reopen my stomach to food. Pretty sugary. Tastes like a birthday cake. I'm going to wash this down. By the way, I use 2% milk, and that is reduced fat. So, in case you're wondering what's inside the mug. And if you look at my mug, you'll see it's an official Mr. Goody mug. And if you click on my channel and look up at the links, then you'll be able to order your very own. You know, you can support me, and supporting me, I can bring you more great content. And back to the Kit Kat, the birthday limited edition. Actually, the verdict is I really liked it. It tastes like a birthday cake. A vanilla icing sprinkled birthday cake is exactly what it tasted like with wafer bars. So I recommend it. I give it an 8 out of 10 stars. And You can pick these up at your local grocer. In fact, I'll put a link to them in the video description box. I look forward to the next time I do another taste test for you guys. Until then, have a great day.